Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I am going to be showing you the sick diamond play button that my brother and my dad made for me. So let me show you. This is how it looks. Very cool. It has it's so cool. And I think that this is just absolutely the best thing that I've ever seen in my life. That is, I'm just so happy too. I mean, look how good this is. So let me tell you, you could look at it while I do it. So my dad starts as a great builder. He built 3 sheds with just wood in my backyard. So he is a great builder. And so is my brother, because he made the TNT block, which is right over there. The sign for me. He makes a lot of stuff. And he was the one who made this part right here. So let me show you. So this is how they made it. So first we started with a square piece of wood, not curled on the corners. So what my brother did first was make it go. So you see how it goes like this? So that's what my brother did. It did all on all 4 corners. Next, what my dad did is he made it so that it goes in like this part, and then he left this part like that. So it looks very cool. So I like how straight these lines came with it. And I like how he made it so it goes in right there. And also, next, wait, what did I say? Whatever. I don't know why I said also. Alright, so next, my brother spray painted the thing. So we first started with 1 coat, but it didn't look that good yet. So what we did was we did a whole nother coat. And then that was it. It looked so cool. And this is what it looked like. And I am just, I'm speechless. Look how good this is. And next thing I'm going to do is I'm probably going to find a place for this. I think, what is a place for this? I don't know, really. I have to find a place for this. I could probably move this. Oh, you guys can't see this, I'm sorry about that. But I just moved the sign that was over here to over there. And what I could probably do is probably move this so that it's over here. Actually, I might move this now so that I hit it, then it's going to fall over, and I don't want that to happen. I'm going to work it out on myself. Not in the video, because this is going to take a very long time. But if you guys like to see the videos where I make sick, my brother, really my brother made it, and my dad. So if you guys want to see more sick builds that my brother and my dad made for me, then definitely make sure to subscribe to my channel, my brother's channel, and I think my dad has a channel. I don't know. When you sign into YouTube, you automatically have a channel. So, I don't know it yet, but I'll see. But thank you guys for watching. Definitely make sure to subscribe to my channel too, and I will see you